Turn that one on. Get this in my hand, alright. Just okay, so it's I don't want that. Okay, so it's 1 November 2025. See that? 1 November 2025. Alright, wait, can you see? I went blank. Alright, so here it's, oh, there it goes. 1 November 2025. There we go. Great. So, okay, so now we're live. Yay. Alright, so I can't see myself. Alright, so much for this. Alright, so I'm gonna. I haven't been in this room in a few weeks. I've been in this room, but I just haven't been able to work on anything because of so many things happening. So, but anyway, so I got a 5100. It came in a different box, so it's like this. Can you see it? You really can't see it in that camera, but that's alright. I need my scissors. Here's my scissors. Okay, so how do we open this? Open it from here. This one's packaged in a much better box as far as being the right size for the box, because the other one I got, I opened, I guess, I don't know, 3 weeks ago or so, and it arrived, and then I subsequently broke it while unboxing it, and it broke even further, and then I've gone through it and don't go off your, get that out of the way. Okay, so here it is, all the way from way over there, and they actually package this fairly well, I guess. It's like, all right, so here it is, one thing of bubble wrap, and they actually had the foresight to take some. Okay, you don't know, but the tuning knob is sticking out of the end here, right? And they put some cardboard at the end here to facilitate the that thing not getting broke. And we've got, what's this? Okay, well, they sent me a brand new power cord, which is a brand new power cord from Japan, right? Oh, that's interesting. What else is in here? We've got a CD, okay, and what else? Golly, got a layer of cardboard in the bottom, I guess, just for extra padding. Well, that's nice. Okay, here it is. Let me get this here and just okay. Right, so like that. And the handle's folded back, so this one's complete. It's got a complete antenna, right? And let's get this off here, and there we go. And now we just pull this off. Alright, so we pull this off. There's that. And okay, well, I hear something rattling on the inside. Oh, drat. Okay, well, it's got some damage here. I just can't win. Okay, well, okay, so, well, let's see if it works. Let's get a power cord. Okay. Get a power cord and plug it in and turn it on, right? So, radio, volume.
And that overall financial review.
So, radio works. So FM, that was on AM. So that works. It's in stereo now. So we have it in stereo. Here's the stereo light. The stereo light's up here. Let's see here. Yeah, it comes in stereo. I don't want to play that music, but so that works. All right, so let's turn the radio off. Radio off. Okay, there we go. Put it on tape. I have a tape. I brought a tape out here, right? What did I do with the tape I brought out? There it is. Here's my tape. So here's the tape. Throw the tape in. Let's see if it plays. Right? Okay, so eject the door square, meaning it's not broken or anything. Okay, throw the tape in, hit play, and play is nice. It's just got a crack in the end. It's actually I need to take it apart and see if I can reconnect it or something. We've got the TPS, turn that on. Hit fast forward. Oh, okay. Didn't like that. Let's try play and rewind. Okay, well, plays, that's all I'm interested in. Alright, so, okay, so, give me that. Okay, well, here, let's play it a bit more. Eject. That, alright, flip it over. Okay. So, just the other side, so. Balance works nicely. The tone works. We got ambience. Not that I use it, but I think it's running a bit slow. Tape counter is working. It does have the button. This is there. It's just got damaged in shipping. Oh well, I can't win them all. Okay. So let's hit stop on this, kick this out, right? This over here. I'm not buying any more of these models simply because I don't have any more room. I don't have any room for anything. Actually, well, I'm not going to say all. Okay, so there's that one, right? So then we have over here, we have, can I reach it? Yeah. We have a RX-F20, which came in a very small box. Well, you can shake it just a tad, but alright, so let me just open this because recycle day is Monday, and so I want to get this boxing material into the recycle. Okay, and like I said, I haven't done a video like this in a long time, and I got my oldest camera with the battery charged up, and I've got, I think, a 32 SD card in there, which it doesn't like. Okay, how do we open this up here? I have to stop buying these. I have like 6 or 7 of this model now, and I've been getting them in various shades of repair. One of them I really like the sound of this model. For its size, there's only 6 batteries. So if I ever get into this box, it's well taped up. Alright, I just have to use the scissors as scissors, I guess. Let's do that. And I would have done this tomorrow, but anyway, there we go. Got that open. Can we get in? No, we have to use the scissors as scissors. Okay, so, alright. Haven't shot a live video and I don't know when, and Facebook keeps telling me all my live videos are ending. They're going to delete them. I have to download them. I'm like, no, that's why I make the backup copy with the other thing. So, okay, so now we're into this one. Finally, get that out. There it is. Alright, so that's here. Anything else in here? We got over to that. So this one didn't come with a power brick. Okay, no power brick with this one. That's okay, I guess. Alright, so put that there. Alright. Now I need the scissors still. Okay, so unwrap this. Alright. And do we have, probably do have batteries. Well, we got batteries in that one over there. So I could probably take the batteries out of it and put them in this one. I don't know if I have well, I do have power adapters down here, but okay, so there it is. It's another red one, and it's nicely done. It's got a little dust on it, but it's clean for the most part. I mean, it's got, I don't know, I can't explain that. Alright, so now I need to power it. do I have, is this thing on the right polarity? Nope. Wait, where'd it go? Is it up here? It's up here. Here it is. Okay. So, plug it in, turn it on. It's on tape. Sounds good, yeah.
And never compromising their budget. Low prices in every aisle on flavors from your Texas neighbors. Burger shoppers never compromise.
So the balance works.
Proudly serving Texas for over 70 years.
It's BOGO week, so use your card for buy one get one free deals on Kroger brand apple juice.
Get my tape.
Proud since 1955. The Home Depot has everything you need to turn your home into a beacon of holiday cheer. So whether you're going all out or just adding a few holiday touches, we've got you covered with trees, yard decor, and more.
Okay, so here we go. Play.
Are easy to assemble pre-lit trees or pick up a piece.
Well, needs a belt. Yeah, we know. Okay, so it won't. Needs a belt. Barely works. I got belts for this one. It's not that hard. Yeah. So, well, needs a belt. Okay, well, the radio works, it's in good condition. See what it looks like in the battery compartment here. Yeah, it's, oh good, very good. So it'll take batteries, but we're not going to mess with that right now. It's because I've already got a I've already got a red one right here, which I don't know if I could show that real fast. I could show that real fast, couldn't I? Right. So I've got this red one, which get the tape out, get this out, all right, eject. Okay. I don't know if you noticed about this model, but this has got, let's see, where's my, here, tape case, put this in the tape case, guys, so that's good when you got of those, right? This one here has got a, the battery compartment, all right, is, well, let's see, yeah, okay. The battery compartment is welded, plastic welded to the case, and the whole problem with these is that this one had the batteries, right, where's the battery? Here's a battery. Here's the battery that came out of this one here, right? Okay, it's really rusted and corroded, and this is the only one that said whatever it says in Japanese. It's a red battery, that's all I know. Okay, but it was stuck in here, it wouldn't come out. So what I had to do is I had to open up the unit, all right? I had to open up the unit and then take a wire and a hammer, kind of, sort of. Take actually a very stiff paper clip, and stiff paper clip, put this down here into the hole inside the battery compartment, and tap, 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 and push out the battery to get the battery out. So I ended up tapping and finally got the batteries all out. And then to replace the spring, now the spring is in there, right, was corroded, right? So what I did was I got another spring terminal, like this one here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a spring terminal, okay, with a piece of wire on it, just like this but longer, okay. And I put it, see here, this is it right here. And I don't know if I can get it to come out again, but what I did was I fished this wire back up through the end here, and then pulled that spring terminal up until it caught onto, until it basically pull up in here and then covers the other one. So now I can take regular batteries and push the batteries up in here, and well, I don't have another battery. But anyway, to make the circuit work. So I just wanted to show you that's how I did that to make this one work. This one will work. And I wanted to make an individual with it, but I'll just make it, let's tail into this here. So I'm going to finish working on this here soon, and then, because, anyway, just a lot of things happening, so seriously. Let me get this camera here. Like I said, I've had this camera forever. This is my little FS100 camera, which is recording 15 minutes. Okay, so Working on that. There's one. There's the red one. Here's my other camera, and then here's this camera up here, right? So I'm going to say good day, bye-bye. I don't know what count I'm going to put this on, but anyway, thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye. I got to go. Hope you enjoy. Bye-bye. And that turned that one off. Great. So just kill the power on this. Okay. I haven't used this thing in forever, so this is a Canon FS100. I first started using this camera back in 2007 when I started making videos. And I still have it, still works, and that's all I know. Alright, so there's that one. I also have a, I have a R50 camera, right? And then I have a really fancy S21 camera right here. And then I'm used shooting with an M41 camera there. And then over there, I'm not going to get it out, but I have a DSLR 20 megapixel 70D Canon. Everything's Canon, alright, so. Alright, I'm good. Now I got to pack all this stuff up, get it out of here, say goodbye. I turned that one off. Turn this one off, right? So here, grab this, alright. Grab that, okay. Grab that. Alright, so this is this one here. We'll just stop this. That's the one we just unboxed. We'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching. This is the one I'm working on. Okay, so goodbye, goodbye.